We are continue going to the Shibu campus through the rain.
前方经过红绿灯路口，继续前行。10公里，相当于绕天安门骑了4圈。前方大约有1.9公里直行道路。
Really Pakistani songs and music is joyful. I like it. I like it more than all else. I don't understand the language, but the meaning is here. I get the meaning from the song name. I got the meaning, so I just enjoy the music and the voice. The voice is very. The tune, the voice tune is very deep. You can feel it.
有1.4公里直行道路。前方经过红绿灯路口，继续向前。
Okay, now the umbrella is out. Okay.
सदका या नबी मेरी झोली में डालो तेरे कुर्बान प्यारे मोहम्मद गिर रहा हूँ मुझे भी संभालो तेरे कुर्बान प्यारे मोहम्मद गिर रहा हूँ मुझे भी संभालो तेरे कुर्बान प्यारे मोहम्मद गिर
حسبي ربي جل الله لا إله إلا الله.
前方经过红绿灯，
حسبي ربي جل الله لا إله إلا الله. حسبي ربي. حسبي ربي جل الله. This is the Shibu subway station and bus station. Shibu bus station and Shibu subway station and Shibu high speed train railway station. All these three kind of transportation is here. High speed train, subway and bus station. We can see the buses from here. From here we can see the buses and this, the up, huge building. This high speed and subway station. They are in the same place. So now we can see the Shibu bus station. This is the public bus. This is the public bus. Public bus station. They are coming from here. You can see. This huge Shibu bus station. The buses is come from here. It's clear, yeah. Inside here, all these buses. This Shibu bus station and in the up here. Is up here. This is the subway and high-speed train station. Anyhow, we can hear clear the subway. The voice of the subway train is coming or leaving the station. So this is the last station in line 2 and also line 6. They are going here. You can transfer from line 2 to line 6. Last station in line 2. Line 2 is going to Shibu to Long Chuanyi. Next week we will discover Long Chuanyi. Now we are in Shibu. This is the terminal, the first terminal of subway line 2. Next weekend we will discover another terminal, like 30 stations, around 35 to 40 kilometers from here away. So we can discover all this along Chengdu city. So it's very huge. And line 6 is more than 30, I think, stations. I talk about this in the video, the subway, Chengdu subway video. 1 hour I talk about all this detail. You can watch that video in the channel. Maybe before 6 months I upload that video. You can check in my channel. It's called Chengdu subway transfers and stations. So now let's check the Shibu market. Also, my first videos in this channel is from here, from Shibu market.
请你偏离路线，正在为您重新规划，请确认行进方向，向西北方向出发，130米后右转，前方100米右转。
Let me find my mask.